Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most common questions people have when it comes to renovating their homes: bathroom renovation costs. Bathroom renovations can vary greatly in cost, depending on the size of your bathroom, the materials you use, and the extent of the renovation. A simple renovation can cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, while a more extensive renovation can set you back anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000. Let's break down some of the costs associated with bathroom renovations. Materials. The materials you choose will have a significant impact on the cost of your bathroom renovation. For example, tiles can range from $1 per square foot to over $100 per square foot, depending on the quality and type of material you choose. Similarly, fixtures like faucets, sinks, and toilets can also vary in price, depending on the brand and style you select. Labor costs will also play a significant role in determining your bathroom renovation costs. Hiring a professional contractor or plumber will add to the overall cost of your renovation. However, it's important to remember that the quality of the workmanship will also be reflected in the price you pay. Design. The design of your bathroom can also affect the cost of your renovation. For example, if you want to move plumbing fixtures, electrical outlets, or install new lighting, this will require additional work and cost. Unexpected costs. Finally, it's important to remember that unexpected costs can arise during any renovation project. It's important to set aside a contingency fund of around 10-15% of your total renovation budget to cover any unforeseen expenses. So, there you have it, a breakdown of bathroom renovation costs. Remember, the cost of your bathroom renovation will depend on a variety of factors, and it's important to do your research and work with a professional contractor to get an accurate estimate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.